Golf is a good walk spoiled. Mark Twain said that. Or was it Churchill? What he meant by that was if it wasn't for the shiny white ball, it'd otherwise be quite a pleasant walk. Do you know what I mean? Missed again. What isn't a miss though, is a good pair of loafers. How'd you wear them, you ask? Let's get dressed. One take Dave, baby. And this is how I put it together. Brown loafers, wide-legged trousers, nice little matching knit, and a sports coat over the top. Simple, really. Well, you could have it like this, dressed down, but still in a full suit. Quite like it, actually. So for all your loafering needs, head over to Base London. You lot really aren't paying me enough for this.